Are you experiencing pain and stiffness in your joints that is getting worse as you age? Are you finding that this pain and stiffness is limiting your ability to do the things that you were once able to do with ease, like open jars or take walks? If so, you could be suffering from arthritis. What is arthritis? Arthritis is a condition that causes inflammation in the joints. There are more than 200 types of inflammation in the joints, the most common of which is osteoarthritis. It happens when the tissue that acts as a cushion between the joints wears away, thus causing the joints to rub together. As a result of this rubbing, pain and stiffness develop and limit your mobility. There are several conditions that can lead to arthritis, including injury, genetics, and infections. Foods that combat arthritis. No matter what type of arthritis you have, how you got it, or how it is affecting you, making changes to your diet could help to ease your pain and increase your mobility. Here are 7 foods to add to your diet to help with your arthritis symptoms. Fish. Eating fish, especially cold water fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, can help to reduce inflammation and ease the pain that is caused by arthritis. Fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their ability to reduce inflammation. Olive oil. Research has indicated that olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, may be made up of compounds that are similar to the compounds found in ibuprofen. As such, it can be a great way to reduce inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Cherries. Cherries, especially the tart variety, are packed with anthocyanins, which are believed to be more effective at relieving inflammation than aspirin. Citrus fruits. If you love citrus, you'll love this information. Citrus fruits like oranges, limes, grapefruits, and lemons contain a ton of vitamin C, which helps synthesize collagen and builds and repairs tendons, ligaments, and bone. Pretty much, citrus is your best friend if you suffer from arthritis. Orange veggies. Add some orange veggies to your diet and you'll have less arthritis pain. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and squash are loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are both thought to reduce inflammation. Ginger. Like ginger? That's great news if you have arthritis. Ginger has compounds that are similar to those compounds found in anti-inflammatory medications. So, by adding ginger root to your diet, you'll reap the same benefits that you would if you were to take aspirin or ibuprofen, except the ginger root is much tastier. Whole grains. Eat more whole grains, like brown rice, whole grain cereal, oatmeal, and stone ground wheat, and you'll lower your levels of C-reactive proteins in the blood. These proteins cause inflammation, which aggravates arthritis. Eat more whole grains and you'll have less inflammation, pain, and stiffness.